Hi, I'll be showing you how to place the reed onto the mouthpiece. No, make sure you moisten the reed first. Remove the mouthpiece cap along with the ligature. Then, place the mouthpiece in the barrel with a slight twisting motion. This part of the mouthpiece is the table and is the area where the reed will be placed. Put your thumb at the end of the reed, holding the reed in position. Make sure it is slightly below the tip of the mouthpiece. Then grab the ligature and slip it onto the mouthpiece until it is snug. Make sure you avoid the tip of the reed. Continue to hold the bottom of the reed and tighten the screws on the ligature. Thank you for listening.